So guys, this one is ready to serve. And all ingredients are mixed properly. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog guys, I would like to share my authentic recipe of noodles. Okay, authentic. This one is noodles yakisoba. Okay, not ordinary yakisoba as you think. I would like to share or to show you if how I prepare my authentic noodles. Fresh noodles, not salted. Okay, fresh, just only fresh but not salted, including the liquid seasoning. And I will use wagyu, a product from Chiba, lemon, long onion, and the spices. And I will mix beans noodles. Okay, very simple guys, and I use only vegetables, bok choy. So watch until the end, and I will share my simple recipe of noodles. Something like Philippine style, but I'm using Japanese noodles. Okay, or yakisoba. So first, I would like to prepare this wagyu. Wagyu guys is Japanese local beef. Japanese local beef meat. Okay, a thin slice. On this one, I would like to add a lemon for delicious. This one for soap. Soy sauce to taste, black pepper and salt. And I would like to add this long onion or spring onion. Very simple, but home cooked is always the best. Thank you guys for those who are watching always until end. Good luck to one of us. Okay. Wagyu is very soft kind of meat. It's easy to cook. No need lots of time, and soft. And of course, fresh, because this one is local. When we say imported, meaning to say it's lots of time in the frozen. That's why the meat is quite hard. Unlike the local, it's not frozen. Okay, and let's marinate this for a while, a little bit of time. Okay, set aside, and let's start slicing the remaining ingredients. Prepare everything before we start cooking. That's how I prepare when I'm a little bit long. That's okay. Something like this. And bok choy. And lemon juice guys for our seasoning. On that lemon sauce or lemon juice, I would like to add olive oil and soy sauce. With kumbo or seaweeds seasoning for deep umami. This would be the seasoning for noodles. Set aside on it and let's start cooking oil. And let's add now the meat. This is how I prepare my stir-fry noodles. You can use any spices but you would like, but for me, simple spice is good. Because if you add a lot of spices, you cannot enjoy the individual taste, like taste of meat, taste of noodles. So simple spring onion is enough. I like spices, but not in any recipe. Okay. Let's cook the meat properly or we'll burn. This aroma of soy sauce and the spring onion is perfect. And the meat is already cooked, guys. Let's set aside. This is how I preserve, this is how I prepare my pancit, or what we call this, noodles stir fry. While I'm setting aside to preserve the taste of the meat. And on the fry pan, let's put water. Let's put a water, make it boil. And on this part, guys, I will add paprika powder. Why? Secret. Just kidding. To add aroma and also the color. Not only spice, there's a purpose on it. Okay? That's why I'm using paprika. Then beef broth cubes. Beef broth cubes because I'm using beef meat. My daughter's favorite. Today is my daughter's birthday. That's why I prepare noodles. And let's wait, the water will be boiled. And the water is start boiling. Let's add the beans noodles. Or they call harusami. I use only 2. So that not so much. Okay, for adding color and aroma, just add a little bit of paprika. On that way, you could add a little bit color. And on the time, let's add the vegetables. Let's cut a little bit, guys, so that the noodles would not be so much long. And on this time, let's add the fresh noodles for yakisoba. Why I did not use scissor? And let's add now the seasoning, soy sauce, lemon juice, and the seafoods powder. Let's mix it so that the 2 noodles would combine. And let's add now the leaf part. And also the green onion. The aroma of lemon. Amazing. Cooking is my favorite moment. In this way, I could show my love to my kids. I'm not professional. I'm not learning in any culinary school. Just only pure love. My imagination, I tried it to put into my cooking. And my kids satisfied it. And I will continue that process or improve in any adding any recipe, something like that. Make special, and the taste would become amazing. This is my stir fry noodles. Okay, on this part, guys, let's add now the meat. We can preserve the taste of the meat by this way. Okay, and I will add 1 pack of this, include seasoning. Is this good? Please do comment, guys. Is this good or bad? All recipes that is made in my kitchen is good. I rate it 10 over 10. Rating myself. When my kids love it, thank you. Nobody's cook in my kitchen except me. So guys, this one is ready to serve. And all ingredients are mixed properly. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching until here. Bye, and love you all.